Hey everyone, and welcome to today's cooking session. If you've ever craved something rich, creamy, and delicious, then you've probably had butter chicken, an iconic dish from the Indian subcontinent. Whether you're in the mood for a comforting meal or want to impress your guests, this butter chicken will surely hit the spot. Let's get started. The first step in making butter chicken is marinating the chicken. For this, we need boneless chicken pieces. I have got about 1 kilo of chicken here. Put the chicken pieces in a bowl. Now let's spice it up. Add a tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder or zira powder, 1 tablespoon of packaged butter chicken masala, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1½ teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now mix everything well, making sure each piece of chicken is coated with this fragrant marinade. Cover the bowl and let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour. Or if you have time, even overnight for maximum flavor. You can use this time to make the gravy. For the gravy, we will need 2 finely sliced onions, 8 finely chopped tomatoes, a green pepper, and some cilantro leaves. Heat a pan over medium heat. Pour about 1/2 cup oil to the pan, followed by 1 tablespoon of fresh homemade butter that I made. If you would like to know how I made this healthy fresh homemade butter, please check out the description box below. Also, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our future delicious recipes. Now let's get back to the business. Once the butter is melted, add the onions. Sauté it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it is lightly golden brown. Then add tomatoes, followed by green pepper and cilantro. Sauté them well for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add a cup of cashews, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of grinded coriander, and a teaspoon of paprika powder. Stir to mix all the ingredients well. Let it cook for a minute or so, then add 1 cup water. Stir it again, then cover it with lid. Let it cook for 2 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, add the gravy ingredients to the food processor. Add 1/2 cup water and mix for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then use strainer to separate the liquid like this. Add water if you need to. We will use only the liquid part in the bowl for this recipe. Now heat a deep frying pan over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1/2 cup of oil. Then add the gravy. Sauté about 1 minute. Then add 1 more tablespoon of butter. Stir it well and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. While the gravy is cooking, heat another deep frying pan over medium heat. Pour 1/2 cup of oil into the pan. Then add the marinated chicken. Let the chicken cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning it halfway through until it's golden brown on the outside but still juicy inside. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the pan and add it to the gravy. Add 1 cup of water and cover it with a lid. Let it simmer for 10 minutes on low heat, allowing the chicken to absorb all those beautiful flavors. Once you do that, stir them well. Finally, garnish your butter chicken with fresh cilantro, chopped into small pieces, and, if you like, a squeeze of lemon juice for a bit of freshness. Serve this beautiful dish with some fluffy naan or steamed rice. And there you have it, your very own homemade butter chicken, rich, creamy, and packed with flavors. This dish is sure to make your taste buds dance, and is perfect for any occasion. Thank you for cooking along with me today, and I hope you enjoy every bite of this buttery goodness. Happy cooking!